Hello and welcome to our channel, where we bring you the best advice and tips to live a happy and fulfilling life. In today's video, we will be discussing minimalist lifestyle tips to happiness. Minimalism is a way of life that focuses on owning and using only what is essential. Many people find that adopting a minimalist lifestyle can lead to greater happiness and contentment. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Tip 1. Declutter your life. Minimalism starts with decluttering your life. It's important to get rid of the things you don't need or use. By doing so, you will free up physical space and reduce mental clutter. Start by going through your closet and getting rid of clothes that you no longer wear. Then, move on to your kitchen and get rid of items that you don't use. Tip 2. Simplify your home decor. Minimalist home decor is all about simplicity. You don't need to have a lot of decorative items to make your home look beautiful. Instead, focus on a few statement pieces that will add character and interest to your home. Choose neutral colors and simple designs to create a calm and peaceful environment. Tip 3. Practice mindfulness. Practicing mindfulness is an important aspect of living a minimalist lifestyle. It's about being present in the moment and focusing on what's important. Take time each day to practice mindfulness, whether it's through meditation, yoga, or simply taking a walk in nature. Being mindful will help you appreciate the small things in life and find joy in everyday moments. Tip 4. Focus on experiences, not things. Minimalism is not just about owning fewer things, it's about focusing on what truly matters. Instead of spending money on material possessions, focus on experiences that bring you joy. Travel to new places, try new foods, and spend time with loved ones. These experiences will create memories that will last a lifetime. Tip 5. Embrace a simple wardrobe. Simplifying your wardrobe is another important aspect of minimalism. Choose clothing items that are versatile and can be worn in different ways. Stick to a neutral color palette and focus on quality over quantity. By having a simple wardrobe, you will save time getting ready in the morning and reduce decision fatigue. Conclusion: adopting a minimalist lifestyle can lead to greater happiness and contentment. By decluttering your life, simplifying your home decor, practicing mindfulness, focusing on experiences, and embracing a simple wardrobe, you can live a more intentional and fulfilling life. We hope you found these tips helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.